Introduction. Hey, Money Insight member. Today's video is all about freelancing, and guess what? You don't need any special skills to get started. I'll guide you through how to kick off your freelancing journey and explore various skills that don't require a specialist background. Plus, we'll talk about how much you can make per day as a beginner. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Insight for more money-making tips. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to freelancing. For those of you who think freelancing is only for experts, think again. Freelancing is open to everyone, regardless of your background. It's about leveraging the skills you already have and offering them to those who need them. 2. Skills that don't require specialization. Now, let's explore some skills that you can offer without needing a specific specialization. Writing. If you can express yourself well in writing, you can offer services like blog writing, content creation, or even social media posts. Virtual assistants. Managing emails, schedules, and basic administrative tasks can be a valuable service. Data entry. If you're detail-oriented, data entry is a straightforward skill that many businesses need. Online research. If you're good at digging up information, market research and data collection are in demand. 3. Getting started on Upwork. Let's jump into Upwork. Create your profile and focus on showcasing these skills. Remember, your profile is your digital resume, so make it stand out. 4. Bidding on projects. As a beginner, start by bidding on smaller projects to build your profile and gain positive reviews. Remember, it's not about the quantity of skills but the quality of your service. 5. How much can you make? Now, the big question: how much can you make per day as a beginner? It varies, but with dedication, you can easily make $50 to $100 or more per day. As you gain experience and positive reviews, your earning potential increases. 6. Conclusion. To sum it up, freelancing is not reserved for experts. Everyone has valuable skills that are in demand. So, start exploring, create your profile, and take that first step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making insights. Happy freelancing, and I'll see you in the next one. Outro. Like what you saw? Don't forget to hit that like button. Want more content like this? Share it with your friends. And for the latest money-making tips, subscribe to Money Insight. Until next time, happy freelancing.